Hey guys. Ayun na naman si hey guys. Lagi na lang hey guys. Perfect ang place na to. Huwag ka nang ina. Ay, sorry my bad. May shooting dito, B. I'm gonna be an artist, I think. I don't know if it is. Look. Why do I speak English right now? Am I speaking English really good? It's a question. Hey, Rhapsody. Nice. Nice place for shooting. So I think mag-extra muna ako for shooting today. Hello, good morning. Movie?
Eh?
They were making movie?
I don't know. It looks like.
May shooting sa labi. Maybe because of the sound of the pilot boat.
Yeah.
It will interrupt the microphone.
Yeah. It's a nice location.
So it's being an artist.
You put on the horn. Toon, toon.
Why it's taking so long? Cut! Hey, so may movie ngayon dito. Nagsushooting sila. I-spoil ko muna si Steven Seagal, I think. What do you think? Yeah. I think it's already retired for doing some movies. Kapag ito tinatanong, wala lang pala itong alam. Uy! Mercy. Yeah, ito mo. Kala ko ikukulong kami. Gone board na pala kami. So bye bye guys. Here's my luggage.